clothing, bedding, custom clothing proofing. Nowadays, we can see carbon dioxide laser cutting machines in the upstream of many industries, because it's widely used in the cutting work of fabric, leather, and other materials. We often call it fabric laser cutting machine. More and more machine manufacturers are beginning to provide machine customization services as we do. However, as a purchaser, in front of various machine models as well as optional functions, do you really know how to make a choice? Watch carefully. What I gonna tell will give you the answer. Where I am now is our machine production workshop. Beside me is just produced LaserMen 1610 large vision fabric laser cutting machine. I will take it as an example to highlight to you some of the things you must know. You will know how to customize a fabric laser cutting machine to meet your needs. The machine cutting area size should match your fabric size and the cutting pattern sizes. This machine, LaserMen 1610 large vision fabric laser cutting machine. The 1610 refers to its cutting area size. 16 means the maximum cutting size in x-axis is 160 centimeters, and 10 means the maximum cutting size in y-axis is 100 centimeters. Besides 1610, we have 1625, 1810, 1825, and if you need a larger size, of course, we can customize it for you. Single head in single x-axis, double heads in single x-axis, double x-axis. What are their difference? How to choose? Single head in single x-axis. The machine has only one laser head in the full cutting area. Double heads in single x-axis. The machine has two laser heads on the x-axis. Two laser heads can do the same cutting work synchronously. Its cutting efficiency doubles that of single head machine. Double x-axis. The machine has two x-axes. Each x-axis has one laser head. These two laser heads can do different cutting work at the same time. Its cutting efficiency is the highest among the three. What does an automatic feeder do? The fabric laser cutting machine is with a conveyor table. Each time the machine completes the cut, the conveyor table automatically rotates to pull new fabric to the cutting area. Fabric automatic loading and unloading can be done by the conveyor table, but relying only on the pull-off conveyor table may result in excessive elastic deformation of the soft material and therefore affect cutting accuracy. At the same time, during the traditional fabric conveying, the fabric roll may be displaced laterally, and which may cause the material to deviate from the precise cutting position, resulting in a deviation of the cutting work. Auto feeder solves the above problems. The auto feeder has automatic feeding and deflection calibration functions. Auto feeder automatically unroll the fabric and feed it into the laser machine conveyor shaft at an even speed, thus reducing the force on the fabric and avoiding fabric deformation. When the optical sensor detects that fabric roll deviates from the preset position, the auto feeder will automatically move its shaft to ensure that the fabric roll is always in the correct position. Fabric can be steadily fed to the position you expected. If you need to cut those materials with patterns, you will need a CCD camera in your fabric laser cutting machine. The CCD camera takes a high-resolution photo of the pattern. The photo goes to the laser program. The laser program recognizes the pattern and matches location in fabric. Then the laser machine cuts the pattern down along its edge contour. So what's the difference between the large vision wide-angle CCD camera and the common small CCD camera? How to choose? Small CCD camera single scanning size of 100 by 100 millimeters. It's mounted next to the laser height. Limited by the single scanning size, it's more suitable for labels and other small size pattern cutting work. Of course, the small CCD camera can also do the overall positioning and cutting of the entire file by scanning the file mark points. The large vision wide-angle CCD camera is installed high above the machine. It scans the entire table area by only one photo shoot. It's ideal for cutting fabrics with large size patterns. This machine comes with an air blowing controlling function. Compressed air blows to the laser height during cutting. It takes away the fumes and heat generated during the cutting. This design ensures stable laser beam and avoids fabric deformation and discoloration due to heat. Look here! These exhaust fans connect to the ducts inside the machine.
When the fans on, the air pressure inside the ducts will be reduced due to the higher airflow rate.
This will create a pressure difference between the top and the bottom of the table, which will take away the fumes, significantly improving the working environment for the operators.
In addition, we also have the option of upper extraction structure, which pulls the fumes away from the top of the table. Combining extraction under the table and above table is the best solution.
During cutting, some debris will inevitably fall into the machine through the conveyor table. How to clean them to keep the machine in good conditions in long run?
We have set up a special cleaning hole here. Open it. See? The debris will fall through the funnel into the cleaning slot. And you just need to open this small door and you can easily clean up the
debris. Many customers have told us how thoughtful this design is. When they used to clean the inside of other fabric cutting machines, it was often time-consuming and laborious, and the machine had to stop running for at least an hour. When they cleaned the LaserMen fabric cutting machine, everything gets very easy and can be done in a few minutes. Okay, the above information can generally help you understand which options you need, as well as what designs in the machine help you increase your productivity. If you have any other questions, follow me and I will answer for free.